Coming, he almost hit my vehicle. He almost hit my vehicle as I tried to channelize him. We're still northbound Union Hill. Still northbound Union Hill. All right, turning down the side street into a storage lot. Towards the storage lot. 1050, 1050.
Get off the ground! Get on the fucking ground right now! Get on the fucking ground! Get on the ground, man! Get on the ground, man! Hell's wrong with you? Get your hands behind your back! Get them behind your back!
You need an ambulance?
Yeah.
What's hurting? Huh?
Everything.
Okay, roll over on your side. Roll over on your side. Take your helmet off.
You think I can with no fucking hands?
Hey, you
fucking
shouldn't have ran. Hush,
Fuck
man.
you.
Fuck you, boy.
You gotta fucking unstrap this.
I'm
dumbass.
trying. Relax.
Fucking, you almost killed me, bro.
Bad things happen when you run from the police, okay?
Well, fuck you guys. I'll do it again.
And guess what? You're gonna be in prison.
Can you stand up, or you want to wait on the ambulance?
I'll wait.
Okay.
I'll wait all night.
Okay. Well, that's fine. They're coming. We'll go to hospital, then go to jail. Where's your ID?
I don't got one.
Okay. You got a first and a last name and a date of birth?
No.
No? Okay, that's fine. You can catch another charge then.
Do you want my fucking name and ID? Or my fucking last name? and
That's
my
what I
name?
just asked you for, right?
Okay.
Okay.
Jacob Azendorf, 112704. Fucking pussy.
You have a Georgia driver's license or ID?
No.
What state's that out of?
Why do y'all think I ran?
Because you don't have an ID or a driver's license? That's it?
Yes.
Come on, man. That's a stupid reason to run.